How to turn on or turn off keyboard feedback sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we scroll down and tap on Keyboard Feedback. In here, tap on Sound. Tap on the Sound toggle button to turn off or switch on the keyboard feedback sound. So here, let's have a listen. So we have turned on keyboard feedback sound. And if I start to type in something, you can hear that it start to play a sound every time I tap on a key. So if I switch it off here, then this time when I tap on the keyboard, it doesn't play a sound. And that's it. So after we can go back into your keyboard feedback, and then you can simply turn on or turn off the sound as necessary. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.